Hello everyone, today we're going to be diving into how to open a BlueBird bank account online. So it's super straightforward and you can do it from your phone or computer in just a few minutes. So first, head over to the bluebird.com website. From here, simply click on the open an account button. So this will then take you to the registration page. Next, you will then have to fill in some basic information, so things like your name, email address, home address, and phone number. You also have to create a username and password for your online account. Set up a new ATM pin and choose some security questions, which is pretty standard stuff. And once you've entered all your details, simply check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then hit agree and submit. And after that, BlueBird will then send you a confirmation email. Just click the link in the email to verify your account and you're all set. So once your account is active, you can then add funds by linking a debit card, setting up direct deposit, or even adding cash at participating locations like Walmart. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.